Welcome my dear friends and sisters to a new video in the world of mobile phones. In this video, we will learn together about the specifications and price of Infinix GT 10 Pro, the next king of games from Infinix. Date of announcement and issuance. The mobile phone was officially announced, and the release in Indian markets will be on August 13, 2023, God willing. Normal specifications. Supports 4G and 5G dual SIM. It supports the installation of a memory card. There is a 3.5mm headphone jack. It supports the fingerprint, integrated at the bottom of the screen, and Face Unlock supports facial recognition. Accelerometer, proximity, compass and gyroscope are also supported. The phone also supports NFC for smart electronic payment and close file transfer. It supports OTG function to transfer files through the charging port. There is an FM radio in the phone and the HTML5 browser. The phone is dust and splashproof, IP53 standard. Phone dimensions. The length is 162.7mm. Width 75.9mm. The thickness is 8.1mm. Weight 187 grams. Key specifications. Screen. The 6.67-inch AMOLED screen comes with full HD+ quality with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and supports 1 billion modified colors. It also supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which will make the screen responsive, especially in games with high graphics. The brightness rate is 900 nits, maximum value. The pixel density is 395 pixels per inch. Software and hardware. Android OS version 13 with XOS 13 interface. The processor, from MediaTek Dimensity 8050 with 6 nanometers manufacturing technology, octa-core and Mali G77 MC9 graphics processor. RAM and internal and external memory. 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. It supports adding an external micro SD card in a separate slot. Cameras. Tri-lens rear with quad LED flash. The main lens is 108 MP with f/1.8 aperture. The second lens is a 2-megapixel macro camera for shooting fine objects up close. The third lens is 2-megapixel depth sensor for isolation. It supports HDR and supports shooting 4K videos with a resolution of 1440 pixels with a capture rate of 30 and 60 frames per second. The front camera has a resolution of 32 MP with an f/2.5 aperture. It supports dual LED flash and supports shooting videos in full HD quality with a resolution of 1080p with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Battery. With a capacity of 5000 mAh, the battery cannot be removed. It supports 45 watts fast wired charging. Type-C charging port. Colors. The color is black and the color is silver. The contents of the box. The phone. Saccharina. Charger head. USB cable. Case. Metal pin. Earphones. Instructions of use booklet. Certificate of guarantee. Conclusion. The phone has a powerful battery that lasts a long time in daily use. The processor offers fast and smooth performance and supports 4K shooting. The screen is powerful and offers great performance in any use, especially in high graphics games. The rear cameras are of high quality, color and consistent and support shooting videos in 4K. The phone is generally powerful in all uses, especially in games. Price $250 approximately. Very important note: the price may vary by an increase or decrease of 10% depending on the country or markets. At the price, we are done with this video. If you liked the video, don't skimp on our support. Click like the video and follow us to receive everything new in the world of mobile phones. See you in a new video.